Chicken shit!
slip that high, half project, yo, she can get hands down. Humana. Got two ways to last night and now I took a whole half gallon. Really sick. Puke. It was great though. Made my breakdown. I went and oh my god, I'm so embarrassed I can just scream. I swear I will never talk to him as long as I live. Buffy's pregnant, plan our future. We'll hit the class, we'll contemplate on who has the nicest ass. Spread of mind games, with verbal words. We are all the same, just flies on birds. Clone! 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 Barbie's pregnant, plan our future. We'll hit the glass, we'll contemplate on who has the nicest ass. Spread our mind games with verbal words. We are all the same, just flies on birds. Clown! Clown! Whoa!
I was trying to get a video so I can show him.
It hurts when I